Okay, so here we have a table with different points
And the graph.
and a graph to show those points. And we have different slopes, so like from here to here is -2, and from this point it's -1, and then here is -3. So we're going to write a piecewise function for that. And how you're going to do that is you'll start with your f of x equals, and then with the first equation, you'll find the slope, which is -2, so you write -2, and then in parentheses, you'll put x, and then I'm going to do the point -3, 4. So I'm going to put +3 in the parentheses because the double negatives make the opposite, and then +4, and that's my first equation. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Since it's -1, I will just write -1 with x in the parentheses, and I'm going to use the point 1, -2. It'll be a -1 and then -2 on the outside, and that's my second equation. And then for the last one, since it's -3/1, I will put -3 with x in the parentheses, and I'm going to use the point 3, -6. So I'll try -3 and -6. And those are my 3 equations. And then for the domain,
Yeah. The domain is, for the first one, -4 to -1 in parentheses. And then the second one is 0 to 3 in parentheses. And then the third one is from 3 to 4, and the 3 is in a bracket.
It's probably wrong, actually. Is it wrong?
I think I think it's actually brackets here, and then yeah, that looks good.
And then there's 2 different ways to write a function, and one's a graph and the table and the equations. And the domain is important in the function so that you know what part of the piecewise function that you're talking